Good morning everyone, myself Mehreen Khatun and I am from class 8th of school, Dawn High School. We make this model named as Wonder of Electric Connections. In this we can see two types of connections named as bulb in series and bulbs in parallel. In this we are going to show you how we have two different types of connection in electricity. Now my friend will explain what is bulb in series.
So in bulbs in series, the connections are in series. If we switch on this switch, the bulbs will glow in order. But if one bulb gets fused or the filament goes, the another bulbs do not glow. So this is the disadvantage of bulbs in series. So my friend will explain bulbs in parallel.
In bulbs in parallel, we have individual switch and different connection. If we turn on this bulb, if we switch on, these two are still working. Compared to bulb in series, if one filament gets wrong, it won't work. If we switch off this, it will work. Now my friend will explain the conclusion.
By this project we conclude that series connection has disadvantage that if one bulb goes off or goes wrong, another bulbs which are useful, which they also be not in use, they will not work. And in bulb in parallel, if one, like an example of our houses, if a fan does not works, we can repair it. But have you wondered that when fan does not works, why tube light also does? Why tube light is working unlike fan? So this is the advantage of parallel, that if one is getting off or goes wrong, the another can work. And for this project we got an idea that one girl gone to a party and she observed that like this lights was used for decorations. So she imagined that what if one bulbs get off, the whole decoration will be switched off, that lights will not glow. So for this she made the project in school, explaining the students about series in bulb and parallel series. Thank you.